The railway town. One day, the American hand and cyclone were leaving. American and British engines. I'd like to let you know that you all have been very hard-working engines for the railway. You may have went through a lot, and you may have went through arguments, and you may have went through off the rails. But I know you all worked hard in the end. This is getting boring. Wilson tore up his sheets and finally just said what he needed to say. What I'm trying to say is, I hope you'll have a great time coming home. The guard blew his whistle, and the American and British engines left. And also, the day is also the day where Mr. Wilson's speech was interrupted with a loud honk. It was a maintenance track inspector and also forklift. He looked back. Hello there. Meet Chuck, the track inspector maintenance forklift. Hi guys, I'm Chuck. He's a forklift. And also, is he the surprise that you're telling us about? Not really, but he is a new asset. He is technically my car. But also, here they come right now. With the amazing sound of 3 horns, the 3 engines finally glided into the station. Well, if we haven't seen these engines in a long time. Don't be like that, Carl. You know who we are. I know. I'm just pulling your pistons. Welcome home, you guys. I'm glad to get out of that area, helping out that railway. What's up with him? Oh, Jeffrey just went through a fall and a telephone booth. See you later. I gotta go. Gotta go myself. And me and Pip and Emma and I have to go get the express. And I have to shunt the express, said Sucker. And they all went away. It's a shame that we won't get to spend any time with the others, as there's no trains for us for the day. You are wrong. You are a bit wrong. Spam Cam, you have a good train and shunting yard. I'll just take Chuck over there. Oh, and also I need to mention that he can also is a rail vehicle. What on earth is that? It's a forklift, said the driver. It helps lift things. Well, it's undignified for any engine. It's undignified if you don't get to work. Okay, I'll get my train. Spam Cam soon left to get his goods train from the yard. Where's that engine? My trucks aren't even fully loaded yet. Sorry, Spam boy. I'm busy. I know that. What was that? Oh, that's the quarry. Very loud. I know what it is. You don't have to tell me that. Okay. There you go. You're all good. Ugh. What kind of forklift are you? I'm sorry. What do you mean? This thing who doesn't ride on rails is an improper machine. I am proper. Oh. Chuck was sad. Mark my words, you're not a proper engine. Or whatever you are. Spam Cam was running along. Ha. He soon met up with Carl. Hi there, Carl. Hi there, Spam Cam. Good to know that are cool sprees up. What cool spree? I'll tell you at the sheds if you make it. Well, that little forklift's no good. Anyways, I'll meet you at the frenzy. Don't offend the forklift. He's helpful. Yeah, whatever. That Chuck boy is nothing compared to a real engine. Spam Cam. But Spam Cam raced away, with Chuck not able to say anything. Spam Cam was going super fast. He didn't notice that one of the wheels on his truck was off the rails. It made a very loud noise. As soon when the wheel was off the rails. What's that screeching? I think it's one of the wheels. The driver tried to stop the train, but the brakes were jammed. Nothing that he could do. Spam Cam was off the rail, blocking the express. Toot toot, get out of the way. Toot toot, get out of the way. Honk honk, don't bother. Honk honk, I'm derailed. The forklift was soon arrived along with fire iron. Soon came to the situation. Honk honk, you don't. Yeah, now who's the improper engine now? Chuck laughed as he was lifting back on the rails. Spam Cam just rolled his eyes and groaned. The next day, Spam Cam was at the works until Chuck came. Chuck, I'm sorry. You are? Yes. I just not familiar with your kind, so Don't be. I am not an engine. I'm a car. A car is unique in a way. Thank you, Spam Cam. You're welcome. And the two engines had a nice little laugh. And Spam Cam went up and down. The